Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Notes, Changing the Way of Learning। स्वागत है आप सबका। अब हम बात करने जा रहे हैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी का पार्ट 2 लेके। यहाँ पे मैं डिस्कस करूँगा कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी का कुछ थ्योरी पार्ट जो आपका कॉम्पिटिटिव जॉब एग्जाम, डिप्लोमा स्टूडेंट एंड बीटेक स्टूडेंट का बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा। तो चलिए अभी मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। देखिए, composition of cement clinker. These cement clinkers which are formed when calcareous and argillaceous raw materials are mixed and burned in rotary kilns. The cement clinkers consist of the following major compounds. Cement clinkers: dicalcium silicate E3S, dicalcium silicate E2S, tricalcium aluminate E3A, तो देखिए एंड नंबर 4 टेट्रा कैल्शियम एल्यूमिनोफेराइट। ये जो चारों कंपोनेंट्स कंपोजिशन को सीमेंट क्लिंकर्स कहा जाता। तो देखिए, ट्राई कैल्शियम सिलिकेट 40% रहता सीमेंट पे। The presence of tricalcium silicate in cement hydrates more rapidly. It generates more heat of hydration. It develops high early strength and possesses less resistance to सल्फेट अटैक। जब ट्राइकैल्शियम सिलिकेट रहता ये हीट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन देता। इट डेवलप्स high early strength and possesses less resistance to sulfate attack। देखिए, डाइकैल्शियम सिलिकेट 42% रहता। डाइकैल्शियम सिलिकेट 42% रहता। The presence of dicalcium silicate in cement hydrates slowly. It generates less heat of hydration. It hardens more slowly and offers more resistance to sulfate attack. It provides good ultimate strength of cement. ट्राइकैल्शियम एल्यूमिनेट 10.5% रहता सीमेंट पे। The presence of tricalcium aluminate causes initial सेटिंग of cement. E3A सीमेंट का इनिशियल सेटिंग टाइम देता, मतलब सीमेंट को जल्दी सेटिंग करता. It reacts fast with water and generates large amount of heat of hydration. It is the first compound which reacts with water when mixed with cement. टेट्रा कैल्शियम एल्यूमिनोफेराइट 9% रहता. टेट्रा टेट्रा कैल्शियम एल्यूमिनोफेराइट टेट्रा कैल्शियम टेट्रा टेट्रा कैल्शियम एल्यूमिनोफेराइट. The presence of tetra calcium aluminoferrite in cement has poor cementing value. It reacts if reacts slowly with water and generate a small amount of heat of hydration. तो देखिए, setting and hardening of cement. The chemical reaction between cement and water is called hydration of cement, or simply cement hydration. The chemical reaction the chemical reaction the chemical reaction between cement and water is called hydration of cement, or simply cement hydration. The phenomenon by virtue of which the plastic cement changes into a solid mass is known as setting of cement. The phenomenon by virtue of which the cement paste sets and develops strength is known as hardening of cement. A very important. The rate of setting and hardening of cement, the rate of evaluation of heat and resistance to sulfate attack are affected by the proportion of different cement compounds. The sum of percentage of tricalcium silicate and dicalcium silicate for Portland cement varies from 70 to 80%. The tricalcium silicate hydrates more rapidly than dicalcium silicate and develops strength in cement for the first 7 days. 7 days. The tricalcium aluminate and tetracalcium aluminoferrite compounds are responsible for the initial setting of cement. Tricalcium aluminate and tetracalcium aluminoferrite. ट्राइकैल्शियम एल्यूमिनेट एंड tetracalcium aluminoferrite, ये दोनों compounds are responsible for the initial setting of cement. Types of cement. Types of cement. देखिए, the various types of cements available in the market are as follows. Ordinary Portland cement, rapid hardening cement, low heat Portland cement, sulfate resisting Portland cement, high alumina cement, blast furnace slag cement, colored cement, pozzolana cement. देखिए, ordinary Portland cement, this is the common type of cement. Ordinary Portland cement, OPC, OPC यूज कहाँ करा जाता? This this is the common type of cement in use. It has adequate resistance to dry shrinkage and cracking, but has less resistance to chemical attack. It should not be used for construction work exposed to sulfate in soil. Rapid hardening Portland cement. It is also known as high early strength cement. It is lighter than ordinary Portland cement. Since the curing period for this cement is short, therefore it is economical. It is used where high early strength is required for constructing roads, road pavements, for cold weather concreting, and where formwork is to be removed as early as possible. It should not be used for massive concrete structure. It should not be used for massive concrete structure. Massive concrete structure में रैपिड हार्डनिंग पोर्टलैंड सीमेंट को यूज नहीं करा जाता. लो हीट पोर्टलैंड सीमेंट. It contains a low percentage of tricalcium silicate which hydrates quickly, and higher percentage of dicalcium silicate which hydrates slowly. It contains less lime than ordinary Portland cement. It possessed less compressive strength. This cement is widely used in retaining wall. रिटेनिंग वॉल पे इसको बहुत यूज करा जाता है. इट शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड फॉर इन कंक्रीट स्ट्रक्चर. इट शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड फॉर इन कंक्रीट स्ट्रक्चर में इसको यूज नहीं करा जाता. sulfate resisting Portland cement. Sulfate resisting Portland cement. In this cement, the percentage of tricalcium aluminate is kept below 5% and it results in the increase in resisting power against sulfates. It is used for structures which are likely to be damaged by severe alkaline conditions such as canal lining, culverts, etc. High alumina cement. It contains about 35% of alumina. It sets quickly and attains higher ultimate strength in a short period. It is used for a structure subjected to the action of seawater, chemical plants and furnaces. Seawater, chemical plants and furnace पे इसको यूज करा जाता है. Blast furnace slag cement. It is made by intergrinding of ordinary Portland cement, clinker, and granulated blast furnace slag. Granulated blast furnace slag. It is cheaper than ordinary Portland cement. Ordinary Portland cement से is cheaper. It develops low heat. It develops low heat of hydration and has less early strength. This cement is frequently used in dams, bridge abutments, and retaining walls. Retaining walls. This cement is frequently used in dams, bridge abutments, and retaining walls. Colored cement. The, this is prepared by adding 5 to 15% of suitable coloring pigments before the cement is finally ground. The commercial term used for a colored cement is colocrete. It is widely used for finishing of floors, external surfaces, etc. Pozzolana cement. Pozzolana cement. देखो, it is made by intergrinding. It is made by intergrinding of ordinary Portland cement clinker and pozzolana. The pozzolana is essentially a siliceous material containing clay up to 80%. In the manufacture of pozzolana cement, about 30% of pozzolana material is added to the ordinary Portland cement clinkers. It is widely used. It is. It is. It is widely used for hydraulic structures such as dams, weirs, etc. So guys, it is much for today. अगर हमारा वीडियो पसंद आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। थैंक यू।